Well, this week isn't ready to quit yet. It's now Saturday, and I'm on my way to the trailer park for a suspected water leak. Well, this week isn't ready to quit yet. It's now Saturday, and I'm on my way to the trailer park for a suspected water leak.
Are you happy?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Yay! Oh my. Okay, let's get there and see what's going on. Now it's this. So let's see what happens here, and fingers crossed it's just groundwater, because we had a lot of rain, but who knows.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, and it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, and it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, it ain't right.
That definitely doesn't look good. So it doesn't look promising. Looks like it probably is a water leak. Called in leak detection services just so they can come have a little listen. It's pretty weak at the surface, so
It's good. It's good.
it's good. I don't know. We'll see what he says. He said he'll be here in about an hour, so I'll wait to see if he can find something significant or not, and we'll go from there.
A few moments later.
Alright, so if there is a leak, it's not a bad one. The correlator did pick up somewhere completely different. What? Which was a bit confusing and concerning, so
I'm sorry, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
we tried listening at all the service boxes there, couldn't pick anything up.
Well, that might be a problem.
So we're gonna let it go for now, because it doesn't seem to be breaking ground as bad as it was when I first showed up. It's almost completely dried up in the spot where I seen it originally, so we'll leave it be for now.
No. That doesn't answer his question.
They got my number. He's gonna keep an eye on it and give me a call over the weekend if something changes. But other than that,
Take care now. Bye-bye then.
good morning.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Welcome back. It is now Monday, and we are back at the trailer park for the water service issue that I was called in for on the weekend. We have Martel and his crew on site today. They're just going to do a quick spot dig. The water's still coming up. It's still silty, so yeah, it's not a lot, but it's enough that it's a concern that there's probably something wrong there at the main. So the correlator wasn't able to find too much, but we'll see if we can find something by popping a hole in the ground. So down there, the deli down there. Leak. It might just be a little bit around the
clay's gonna hold it down some. Right?
Yeah. I will be back to check on them in a little bit. I'm just gone right now to go fuel some stuff up for Steve down in Indian Harbor, and then we'll be back in a little bit.
A few inches later.
So there's the rock he's hitting on now. It's breaking okay over here, but not here. And according to that drawing, what we just measured, we'd need to be another 14 feet over this way to make that work. So you may have to shift this about 14 feet down. But again, that's a guess, because we don't know what's going to be in the ground in there either. Or the other option would be to take it and shift it like this and try going back further on this side and running it this way instead, because we do have some good depth here, except for this one spot right here, which we may have to call the bottom. But that might be another option to get you away from this hard ridge here that's just not busting. It you can see how high it is here, right? That's pretty high. So if we go more towards where Steve is standing and angled it, instead of running it this way, run it this way. But I don't know what that'll do for the pillars. Yeah, I just don't know what that would do for the pillars of the house, because the house is going to be on stilts. So they'll have to sort that out. So we'll send that to them and let them figure it out. All right, got Steve fueled up down here in Indian Harbor, and we did some measuring. That rock is not breaking good.
So what do we do now?
Anyway, on the one side. So I just sent those videos I just took that you guys just saw to the client as well, and they can make up their mind from there how they want to proceed. For now, I got them just working on that one corner where we do know it will break, trying to clean that out. But I think they may have to look at shifting the whole cistern a little bit, depending on the layout for the house, because like I said before, or maybe I didn't, but the house itself is going on stilts.
What did he just say? Check the front.
So there's a very specific design that the house needs to be made to support it, and shifting that cistern may actually change how that happens. So they may need to look at some redesigns, I'm not sure. Anyway, I am gonna head back out of here and back to Sackville for the water break, because they said they're down to the clamp, and they think it is a leaking clamp. So I gotta get back there. So for now, we're just gonna take off, head back in that direction, and we'll see you when we get back in the city. It's a beautiful day for a drive. It's nice and sunny. We have, of course, it's a beautiful sunny day, so that must mean that there's going to be a snowstorm tomorrow. They're calling for a snowstorm tomorrow, so yeah, trying to get some stuff done today before that happens. My God, it's beautiful down here. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this area. Well, we're back to the park. I hear they're doing well. It was a leaky clamp. which is what we kind of thought would be the issue where it was so quiet.
Nice.
But I'm just popping in here now to have a peek to see how they are making out. Looks like they're backfilling now. That's good. I got pictures. Legs brought right off with the bolts going. Leaky clamp. Huh? Leaky clamp. They're doing all right. First load of gravel's in there. They're just tamping that now. They got to bring up a little bit more gravel and then cold patch, and this one's done. So all in all, good job, guys. Looks good. I'm happy. We were able to take care of this one relatively quick.
All right, all right, all right.
That's amazing. Considering it's didn't take them long at all to get down to find that leaky clamp and get it replaced with the new one. Probably a couple pictures in here there now. Just trying to turn around. Sun is just glaring today.
I'm not gonna say it.
It's hilarious. Seems to be the new tell-all that we're gonna get a snowstorm.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
We get an extremely nice day before the snow, and then it just snows the next day. Anyway, I gotta go back. I got a ton of stuff to do. The super's back today, which is good. So there's a little less for me to worry about other than my own stuff. So I'm gonna try to get some of that stuff done now. Oh man, I'll tell you. It's definitely becoming a common theme lately with the snowstorms and nice weather. It is frickin' gorgeous out right now.
Hallelujah. St. Philip and them. Hail Mary, full of grace, and all you people. God bless you. All you little Catholic people. Hello.
Man, I don't even know what to say. Is this really Nova Scotia? Like, it's warm. It's hot. It's January 30th. And it's sunny and hot. Like, I'm half tempted just to take my jacket off. It's that hot.
You know, you're like a child. Talking, if you just one time.
Anyway, man, what a crazy world. Just heading out to look at some more drainage jobs. Obviously, because of this whole switch in the weather patterns, we're getting a lot of different calls this year. The last couple of years, there's been an increase in flooded basement calls in the greater Halifax area. And houses that hadn't had issues for the last 60 plus years are now flooding on a regular basis because all we get is rain in the winter now. So
when a problem comes along, you must zip it. Zip it good.
And no snow, and there's the ground's not frozen. I mean, look ahead of me here. Just sitting there ahead of me in the parking lot, a giant puddle of water on January 30th and mud.
All right, zip it.
Like, what kind of world is this? Not to mention, I mean, let's just take a peek at that for a second. Are you kidding me?
What in the name? No!
Crazy times. Crazy times. So, I'm gonna go have a look at these couple of jobs, see if we can't come up with a solution, and we'll be back after that, I guess. Okay. Just finished looking at those two drain jobs and got some measurements. Got a quick idea what I want to do on them. I just got to put a price to them. You wouldn't imagine some of these places having drainage problems being where they are. This one here, I'm like literally, I think, on the highest point of all of Dartmouth. I can see everything all around me from this subdivision. And the guy's getting a flooded basement. Anyway, nice neighborhood. We'll do something up for him. Tight spot. It's unfortunately going to take a lot of time because of that. But I can get something to him, and we'll see if it's something that agrees with him or not. I guess the last guy that he had in quoted him some outrageous number based on digging up around the whole house and replacing all the drain tile and all that jazz. I normally would be all for that, but this guy says he's a one-off thing. It's only happened this one storm because the whole backyard flooded out. So I don't think it requires a whole drainage job like that. I think it's just a quick interceptor job just to keep the water from getting into his backyard and pushing it away around him. So I don't know. I'll come up with something, give it a try. We're gonna head back now. I'll probably give Steve a quick call, see how he made out with the break-in, and go from there. But other than that, I am going to say now that this is officially the end of this video. Unless I end up back out here. But I hope not. So, stay safe. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.